everybody. This is Jennifer from Junk Journals by Jen. I'm sorry I still don't have much of a voice, but I want to go ahead and do the drawing and for the Roladex for the 100 subscriber contest that we ran. I hope you can understand me well enough to hear what's going on here. The random picker was not working for me, so we're going to do this the old-fashioned way. I wrote down everybody's name that left a comment, and I have it in this handy bucket here. We're going to mix them up really good. Okay, there we go. And we're going to pick a name. So excited, drum roll please. And we picked Asha. Asha, you have a week to send me your information so I can mail you the Roladex. I will include your name down below on this video in the details. Hopefully I'm saying it right. Asha, A-S-H-A. And you were the winner for today's contest. You won the Roladex and some ephemera to go with it. So how exciting. I'm so excited. Tomorrow we should have a video out. Hopefully I'll have enough of a voice to get, or I should say on Thursday we should have a video out again. Hopefully I'll be able to do that for you guys. I think so. It's getting better every day now, so hopefully by then no problems. Anyway, hope you all are having a wonderful Halloween week, and I will talk to you all soon. Remember, this is Jennifer from Junk Journals by Jen, where journaling is about the journey. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.